In this video I'm going to show you guys how to change your default browser on Windows 10. If you don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open your Windows settings and then go to the apps section. Then click on default apps, and right here it says web browser. Just click on this, and right here you can choose your default web browser, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, or search for an app in the Microsoft Store. But I just like Google Chrome, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. And yeah, that's basically it. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.